up, start your day. Brush your teeth the shiny way. Up and down and round we go. Clean white teeth will always glow. Wash your hands with soap and bubbles. Rub, 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 no more troubles. Front and back and in between. Keep those little fingers clean. Splash, splash water on your face. Wipe it off, what a fresh embrace. Comb your hair, look neat and bright. Ready to shine with all your might. Bath time fun, scrub-a-dub. Wash your body in the tub. From your head down to your toes. Goodbye dirt, away it goes. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. Stay polite, germs go off. Clean and healthy every day. Keeps the yucky bugs away.